Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use aggregate function or aggregate formula in Excel. Okay, so if you want to learn how to use aggregate function and what is the use of this aggregate function or formula, this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so here you will see I have created this employee sales report. Okay, here you will see this is the name, this is the location, this is employee name and location, and this is you will see sales of 2022, 2023 and 2024. Now first I want to find out the total. Okay, so what you have to do, you can use sum formula or you can just click on this auto sum, click on it and enter. Okay, now I am going to just copy this to this 3 cell. Okay, now there is drawback of this formula that if I select this two row and I want to hide this, if I hide this you will see there is no changes in the sum. Okay, so if you want, so what you have to do to hide, to minus this hidden rows, what you have to do, you have to use aggregate formula. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just click on equals to, then type aggregate. Okay, then here it will ask for function. Okay, so what is the function? Here you will see ninth. I am going to sum it, so you have to just click on this sum. Now comma, now it will ask for option. So here you will see many options: ignore nested uh, subtotal, ignore error value, ignore hidden rows. You can use all these things. Yes, but I want to ignore this hidden rows. Just click on it, comma, array. So I am going to choose this array. Okay, now you have to just close the bracket, click on OK. Now you will see if I hide any row. Okay, I hide this row, you will see that total will be changed. Okay, now if I just control Z, you will see total will be changed. Now I am going to just copy this formula to all the cell. Okay, so like this you can use this aggregate function or aggregate formula in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.